Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best impact socket set. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. LEXIVON Master HEX Bit Socket Set. If you're searching for a high quality socket set with a sizable parts range and sleek finish, then the LEXIVON Master HEX Bit Socket Set is your best choice. The bits included in the set are made of drop-forged heat-treated S2 alloy steel, making them durable and long-lasting. In addition, sizes are stamped on both the sockets and the storage case for accurate precision. One of the most attractive features of this product is that it is a risk-free investment, as it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. However, they are one of the more expensive options on the market, and might not be worth the extra budget if you are alright with compromising on quality. Wearouts are reduced by drop-forged and heat-treated S2 alloy steel pieces, chrome vanadium steel sockets for improved turning force, with highly polished, chrome-plated mirror finish sockets with zinc phosphate bits treatment. The sockets are completely rust and corrosion resistant, with precision chamfered bit ends. Insert smoothly, for easier identification. Sizes are stamped on sockets and a heavy-duty storage box. Pros: material is sturdy, making it reliable. High-quality packaging and case. Bits fit well in the case. Protect both your bit ends and fasteners. Cons: more expensive than other options. Number 2. Dewalt DWMT 74739 Impact Socket Set. One of the first recommendations that we have for you is the Dewalt DWMT 74739 Impact Socket Set. It comes with an extension, an adapter, and also a release ratchet, making it entirely self-sufficient. This 23-piece tool set has a lot to offer and is pretty well liked by professional technicians. One of the significant problems that people face while using impact sockets is during installation and when they need to remove them, but with this set, you will not have to worry about that. The tooth count of the ratchet is as high as 72. And that enables you to remove or attach the sockets conveniently. There's no way you'll not like this quick release formula. Moreover, it is excellent when it comes to the grip that this item offers. Impact sockets are tiny in size, and we are not surprised if you tell us that they often slip off your hands when working. But this item has an exceptional direct torque technology that helps you immensely during the rounding of fasteners, and without any doubt, it provides an incredible grip. This makes it suitable to be used in machines that have to endure high degrees of temperature. Pros: sturdy and durable. Provides excellent grip. Easy to round up fasteners. Trouble-free installation and removal. Cons: gets scratched easily. Number 3. Amazon Basics Mechanic Socket Tool Set. Made of chrome vanadium steel with a full polished chrome finish, this socket set is one of the more sleek-looking options available on the market. The set contains 123 pieces of socket bits, with some of the most common screwdriver bits included as well. In addition, the product is designed to have a quick-release switch and a reversible mechanism for easy operating, and the case is overall compact and portable. However, as inexpensive as this product is, the quality is subpar when compared to other Amazon Basics. The socket pieces are not well fitted in the case, causing small parts to pop out once open, which is a big annoyance. The pair head ratchets make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Their reversible design and quick release mechanism give them more control. Each tool has a forged chrome vanadium steel body that provides consistent torque and strength, and a polished chrome surface that resists corrosion. The set storage box, which has an incorporated handle, has a specific area for keeping all of the parts nicely packed and transportable. Pros: available at an affordable price. 123-piece variety of socket bits. The case is compact and portable. Features a reversible mechanism. Cons: not very durable. Number 4. Sunex Tools 3580 Drive Master Impact Socket Set. The old saying "you get what you pay for" isn't always true, but it is in this case. You'll pay quite a bit more than for other picks here, but you'll also get top quality. The Sunex 3580 March 8-inch Drive Master Impact Socket Set is truly a behemoth of a socket set, sporting 80 pieces, including metric, deep, universal, and external star sockets, along with a variety of extensions, crafted from chromium molybdenum alloy steel, a testament to their durability. These sockets are built to last for years, with deep sockets that are ideal for removing lug nuts, and a universal joint that pivots up to 22 degrees, so reaching tough-to-manage fasteners is a cinch. This multifaceted selection of the most common sizes truly stands out among the competition. While it carries a price tag worthy of such a comprehensive selection, These sockets are likely to replace your favorite former go-to tools, Sunex's versatile impact sockets, which boast radius corner design for enhanced torque and come in their own heavy-duty case for stylish, safe, and convenient storage. Pros: very comprehensive set, durable, can be used with impact wrench, heavy-duty storage case. Cons: expensive. Number 5 NIKKO Drive Metric Impact Socket Set. If you are someone who uses their impact wrench regularly, you will need an above-quality socket set that will last. If that is the case, our premium option is a good place to start, the NIKKO 02330A Drive Metric Impact Socket Set is a 45-piece set with both shallow and deep sockets, used with a half-inch drive. These metric tools range from 9mm to 32mm. They are constructed of top-grade chrome vanadium steel for durability and strength. With this set, you will receive an extension bar, universal joint and adapter, and a carry case with labels. They are coated in black phosphate, keeping them from corrosion and rust. You will also be able to loosen all fasteners with the 6-point system. What's more, the sockets are laser etched in high contrast, making the sizing permanent and visible in low light. The NIKKO comes with a 3-inch, 5-inch, and 10-inch extension bar using a half-inch drive. The adapter works with either a 3/8-inch or half-an-inch drive. The only drawback is they are more expensive than our previous two picks. Pros: top-grade chrome vanadium steel, corrosion-resistant, laser-etched high-contrast sizing, deep and shallow assortment. Cons: expensive.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.